To make a simple moving average in Excel is really pretty doggone simple. You can do it using basic functions and formulas, or you can do it using the data analytics tool. I'll show you both methods. Let's say we want to have a moving average with k equal 3, which means we want to average the preceding 3 periods, in this case months, to come up with our forecast for month 4. All we need to do is enter that cell that we're interested in and equal. We'll do average of those preceding months, hit enter, and so that's our forecast for month 4. And of course we can drag this down our column to get the rest of our forecasts. You can also use the data analytics tool pack to create a moving average, and it's easy to do. There's only one tricky part, and I'll show you what that is. We're going to go through data analysis, bring up the dialog box, find moving average, and open it up. So we've got our dialog box. We need our input range. I'm going to delete that out of there, and that's going to be our Y values, our forecast, or actual values we want to forecast. Make sure you're consistent. I don't have labels this time. I'm not going to check that. And I want k equal 3, which is what we're working on. The tricky part is where to put the output in order to have it comparable. For some reason, data analysis, if you selected the logical place up here, which would be that cell, will not align your forecast properly. You need to select one cell down from the range where you're starting. Here we're starting in A2, so we need to select cell D3 there, one cell down. And I'm going to go ahead and get the chart output just for the heck of it and click OK. And you can see that we have our values, and this forecast is calculating correctly for the k equal 3, and it gives us the same information. Once you get the graph, you can edit that. I'm going to hold off on that and let you do that using the techniques you've learned in other places. So that's a simple moving average using a formula and then using the data analysis tool to do the same thing.